What's going on, model fans? Hey, it's Brian, and we're doing an entry video for the celebration of life that was from Mr. Chris Cortel. We are joining that group build. We had something that was kind of knocking around a little bit in our imagination, and we finally are going to pull the trigger on this guy here. And yeah, our good friend Rick over at Heartbeat Model Shop, he's doing Iron Man. We're going to do War Machine. We're going to tilt up, tilt up, tilt up. Ta-da! Dude's got a Gatling gun on his shoulder. How is that not cool? Yeah, man, this is an awesome kit. It's huge. I've had it in the stash for quite a while. Was some sort of eBay purchasing. I think I paid $7 for it. Somebody didn't know what they had, but I've seen this at shows going for a lot more than that. So we're like, oh god, hopefully, fingers crossed, we build this so we don't have to have, we don't have any major issues. But let's take a peek inside. There is a lot of battleship gray stuff in here. Styrene. That Gatling gun. Good gracious, that's cool. Oh, that's so cool. All right, and then looks like there's a laser blaster. I'm guessing. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Maybe it's a... Oh, maybe it's a shotgun. I don't know. But we'll see. It's got foot bottoms. Does it say Nike on there? Airwalk? I don't know. But... yeah, very, very cool. Awesomely molded stuff. Moebius. I'm a fan of theirs. I'm a big fan. That looks like a calf. I wonder if I have... No, I think I have that right side up. Yeah, it's like a calf. It's like a... Also could be like a... I don't know, a robotic rhinoceros. Let's see here. So the hands are kind of cool. The hands actually have ports in them for the blasters that that Iron Man and War Machine can sport. So that's kind of cool. Side of his helmet. Sweet. Kind of getting a RoboCop vibe off of this dude a little bit, you know what I mean? Oh, those are some thighs. Those look like upper arms. Now you notice how the attaching points are kind of hollow. That's going to be happy. That's going to be a happy situation for us because we are planning to actually light this guy. Okay, let's go through all this stuff here. So here's some translucent pieces, or is that just white? No, that's just white. Yeah, light goes through it okay, but not great. So we can get a nice glow, which would be good. That means that it won't be too, as they say, sourcey if you have a light behind there. So there's the arc reactor for the chest, and then the blasters for the palms, and then this part here is the Geordie visor, or the eyes. And then let's see here. What we have done is we have gone and ordered a lighting kit, and this lighting kit actually came from Dublin, Ireland, and I think I said that right. And I'm like, dude, if I didn't know any better, I probably ordered this from Seamus himself. But we got a little switch. Let's just turn that off. We got a little switch there. Let's see what else we got in the kit. We got some instructions, and then lots of wires. Some wires are attached to things, some wires aren't. So this is the stuff we're going to be running throughout the innards of a War Machine. Our battery connector for a 9-volt. And then let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a blue 5mm lamp. And here's a 5mm red lamp. Okay. And then, oh, here's a couple of little guys. Oh, so these are for the palms. That's right, those for the palms. The red one's going to be for the eyes, and the blue one's going to be for the chest plate, for the arc reactor. So cool. Hopefully we can get all this done. I have never wired and lit anything before. The only thing that's ever been lit is would be me, and that was like a New Year's Eve. But we're really looking forward to doing this, and this is the whole point of the build, which is building something outside of your comfort zone and then taking that a step further. And we really think that that was the whole spirit of what Chris Cortel had with his Classic Plastic 101 channel, was building outside of your comfort zone, doing something that challenges your skills and your abilities. And if it challenges your patience to a point of frustration, set it down and take a break, walk away, clear your head, do a palette cleansing build, come back to it, which is why I think it's really awesome that Kenny May is hosting this from what was the 2nd of April all the way up until December 31st. So that gives all of us guys who have never done anything like this before a chance to tackle it and do a methodical build and just do a really good job, because we all know Chris didn't follow any type of timeline. He was done when he was done. Yeah, he did group builds and stuff, and he could get stuff done on time, but his really, really good work was stuff that he just took his time on, finished off, and was happy with the, he didn't stop until he was happy with the result, is I think what I'm trying to say. So thanks to Kenny May for offering to host this build. Hopefully this can be some sort of annual situation, and which would be really nice for us, because we have so much stuff in the stash that we want to build that definitely is not part of the model car genre. That's partly why we were talking about doing the helicopter group build. Something else is going to be outside of our normal genre, and we're getting some good feedback on that, so that's great. But then again, I also want to just say one more time, thank you to Kenny May. And dude, I might be hitting you up for some advice on some of this lighting stuff, because I know I used to bug you about that in the past. Might also be hitting up our buddy Seamus too, because that guy can make it look so easy. He's like, let's put a light in this. There's a light in that. So there we go. All right, y'all, we're going to sign off. We got to get back to packing because we're going to be out of town here soon, so we won't get back onto this guy until we're back into town, quite definitely. In the meantime, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you a little bit later on. Bye now.